Hello.
Welcome to YouTube.
Welcome to the internet. Today we will be unboxing this thing. Oh, it's already open. That doesn't feel safe. What is in here? I wonder.
Get better light.
Nana, move around.
Oh, me?
Yeah, so she can get better light.
Okay. Oh, some cords. Yes, the cords.
Is it the cord of your dreams?
The cord of my dreams. Oh wow, look at
A spatula.
a spatula for scraping. A scrapey spat. And some more cords. And that one's cool. Looks like from space. The space needle. Let's continue.
Into the box.
Into the box.
Into the box.
Are you sure you don't need a little break?
Ah, yes. Thank you. All this
Refreshment.
unboxing. Much better now.
Too much box.
Too much box for me. Let's see what it is. It's an Anycubic 13 mega.
I3.
I3. Oh, it's not 13. It looks like 13. I was reading up with this, not this. Oh, wow. Look at that. Tonka. Burning love. Oh, yeah. That's what I like.
God.
There she is.
Wow, that's heavy.
Whoa.
Oh, we've got...
Whoa.
This paper can be used for leveling. Thanks, China. Or Japan. I don't know where this came from. It's probably made in China. This is something. Oh, another layer.
Gotta love the Chinese.
Another layer in the. Oh, this looks fragile. Oh, this must be the part that does the I3ing. Ah, yes. Just what I needed. I've been craving one all week.
Jonesing for an I3.
Jonesing for that.
That 13. That sweet, sweet 13.
Salivating for it. Ugh.
Careful.
I3, not 13.
This is really important. You know, I don't want to feel like I'm already somehow fucking it up. Yes.
There's more.
Oh, there's more.
This is what you're really wanting.
Ah, yes. This tire. I've been waiting for this in the mail for weeks. This, like the hole in it, put in my boobie. Unboxing! And now we get to climb on in the box. Like
Reboxing.
Reboxing. Yes.
Reeboks. Buy Reeboks.